Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. How do you know that I've slept deeply? When my hair curls like this. Bitcoin pumped to 94,000 last night, hit 94,000, then pulled back to 92,000. You can see here, went to 94, then dropped to 91, and about where we closed it yesterday, sitting around. But that's good. It took out all the stop losses up there and all the liquidity. Then came back to 91, bounced to 92. We're going to jump into the technicals. The volume is still growing on Bitcoin. People discussing in the chat, Guru chat, you can join them. $3.2 trillion market cap, 578,000 views. You can set this chart up on your computer or your TV, bitcoinprice.live. You get a 60K bonus when you trade with Bybit. It's my favorite exchange for trading. You can scan this QR code or the link is in the description down below. We're at 83, extreme greed. Remember that now I've gone almost all into cash. I'm going to do breakout trades and buy spot positions here. And I'm going to be very defensive. The time to go heavy long was 16K Bitcoin with me, very aggressive and in extreme fear, not in extreme greed. Bitcoin dominance 55%, funding fee is positive, 92,140. We're sitting here right now trying to fight 92. Went to 94, pulled back to 91 and sitting at 92 now. We'll jump into the technicals for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my account, 800K, which is all cash. And we're going to see Bitcoin trades, Ethereum trades, and anything that I like. I've got my buy orders all set down. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. Actually, let's go into my account. You can see right now I'm almost all cash, 801. 36. I've got 36 million MCRT. Here I've got 546 cash, 197 million MCRT. I bought off the open market. I've still got all my seed investment tokens as well. And the rest is cash. I've got no active trades right now. And you can see I've got spot buys. See, no active trades. It's all cash and MCRT. I've got spot buys on Doge, 33 cents. Uni, $7.20. We're at $9.20. World, $1.60. We're at $2.20. Dropped a lot. World dropped. It's under where I sold. I sold it at $2.30 yesterday, and now we came down to $2.20. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin and where I'm going to set trades. The market reset, but it got hit pretty hard yesterday on altcoins. Bitcoin pumped and then dropped, but when it dropped, it hit the altcoins. On the weekly charts, we've got 4 days left. We've still got the big patterns, the cup and handle, the bull flag. We've still got those big patterns. The crypto guru bot, Bitcoin indicator bot still buys. Crypto guru bot fired a buy back in February 2023 and still a blue buy now. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy 3 weeks ago and it's still a buy now. So both indicator bots lining up. Stochastic still heading up. Volume still heading up. Let's go into the daily. Stochastic still heading up. Daily volume huge. But it does look like to me a little bit of a rising wedge on the daily. You see that? And on the 4 hourly. If we zoom in, you can more clearly see this rising wedge. Everyone see it? Rising wedge. These are bearish patterns. Build pressure and they break down. The target would be 84K of this rising wedge. However, it would take some bad news like an escalation in war with Russia to drop it so much, to be honest. I was quite surprised that yesterday we pumped all the way to 94K with this escalation of war and potentially war, and we still pumped to 94K, which was interesting. Then we dropped back down to 91. It's around where I sold it right yesterday. If we look at Bitcoin futures, it's around where we sold yesterday. So you can see here, I sold it here, about 91,800. It pumped to 94, dropped to 91, and now we're sitting at 92. Funding fee still positive. I've got a Bitcoin trade, 5 Bitcoin at 80K. There is big support at 84K. So I've got this 80K trade, 80K, and stop loss 79,500. That's for 5 Bitcoin I've got. This one here, risking $846 to make 34 times your money, $846 to make 29,000 with no leverage. 10x leverage would be 290,000. That's one trade. And then I'll set another trade at 84 from this breakdown of this descending wedge. 84K for a quick bounce back to the resistance like that. This trade I would set 84,300. Why do I have it at 300? There's a little support there, you see it? Here. So 84,300, stop loss 83,490. Take profit 92k. Risk to reward is 9 times, risking 852 to make 8,000. 10x leverage will be 80,000. I'll open this trade 84,348. So on futures, I'm going to do just futures trades now. 84,348. I'll do 5 Bitcoin. 84,348. 5 Bitcoin. Take profit. I will put 92k. And stop loss, I would put 83,490. Do I need to take so much risk? Yeah, 83,490 because it could liquidate. 83,490. So I'm risking 4,290. 83, too much risk to reward. Okay, let's pull the trade down a little bit to 84 on an even number and keep the same stop loss. So cancel. So I'll make it 84 this trade. Take profit will be 92. So I'll make $40,000 and stop loss will be 83,500. So I'm risking 2,500 to make $40,000. Confirm. So the trade will open 5 Bitcoin at 84,000. Stop loss will be, yeah, confirm. So 84,000, 5 Bitcoin will cost me $21,000, 420 worth of value. Liquidation will be 80k, 92,000 take profit, and 83,500 will be the stop loss. Confirm. So those two orders are set. 5 Bitcoin at 84, 5 Bitcoin at 80k. And now I'm almost all cash, so I'm going to see what is good for buying. World is quite cheap. Ethereum dropped down a lot after I sold it, actually. But then it came back and so here's Ethereum. This is when I sold yesterday in profits of 3,000 at 83,132. Then it dropped down to 3,000. Then we got bounced back to where we are right now. Let's go into Ethereum. On the weekly charts, breakout happened of this descending triangle off the yellow trend line. Big support is at 2,700 is the major area of support. Let's go closer onto the daily. Double top on Ethereum, but still looks like a little bit of a bull flag. Still a little bit of a bull flag look like. Volume a bit dropping. Let's go closer onto the 4 hourly. Ethereum 4 hourly. Okay, I'm in the 4 hourly now. It's holding on descending triangle here on the 4 hourly. So these build pressure, and break out usually. Does look like a bullish pennant. Looks like a bullish pennant on Ethereum. So the big support on Ethereum seems to be around here. Multiple touches at 3,000. We just almost touched 3,046. So I'm going to take this trade, 3,046, but I'm going to make the take profit a bit tighter just off this descending triangle. So take profit, I'll make it 3,541. So opening at, I'll make it 3,000 because if Bitcoin drops, that'll be an even. 3,000. Stop loss, I'll make it 2,900. And take profit, I make 3,500. Risk towards 6 times, risking 83 to make 530 per Ethereum. 10x leverage, 5,300. So that's the trade I'm going to open. So 3,000, stop loss 2,900. Ethereum open at 3,000. Let's do 35 Ethereum. 3,000. Take profit will be 3,550. So I'll make 19,000 and stop loss will be 2,942. 2,942. So I'm risking 2,942, risking $2,000 to make $20,000. Confirm that Ethereum long. So 3,000 USDT will be the open. 35 Ethereum will cost me $10,000. Let's double it. 70 Ethereum, $200,000 trade. So $3,000, 70 Ethereum. It'll open at $3,000 per Ethereum. $21,000 cost. Value will be $210,000 trade. It's only 10x leverage. Let's go 20x. So now it'll be $3,000 open. 70 Ethereum will cost me $11,000. Liquidation 2.8. So I risk 4,000 to make 40,000. Yeah, that's pretty good, and I can make the liquidation lower if I want. So it cost me $11,000, $210,000 trade. Confirm. So those are my 3 trades: Ethereum, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Now I want to see if I pick up spot on something. Ton, $5.40, pumped all the way to $5.60 and then dropped. It's on the trend line. Still rising wedge a little bit. If we go into the weekly, we could have got it at $4.50 just in the beginning of November. So $4.50 is possible. So I'm going to put buy orders for ton, $50,000 worth of ton at $4.50. This will be on spot, not futures. So ton, $4.50. I'll buy $50,000 worth of ton. So buying $50,000 worth of ton at $4.50, confirm. That trade is now set. Doge, I've got 33 cents. Uni, $7.20. World, let's check out Doge. Doge, $3.38. It pumped to yesterday. It broke out. Volume still increasing on the daily. Still very strong volume. Still a bullish pennant. But see, it got rejected, pumped out. I thought that it pumped out, it trapped everyone, went to 41 cents and then pulled back. Quite interesting. What was that pump yesterday? Why would it pump on the escalation of war with Russia? That makes no sense. That means it's trying to trap everyone. I would be very cautious, everyone, with crypto right now. Something is wrong. You don't have the extension of possible nuclear war and at the same time pump. Something very wrong. Someone is manipulating the market. So I'll take it at 33 cents on Doge. And I've already got that order of 33 cents, 50. So these are my spot orders: Ton, Doge, Uni, World. And these are my futures: Ethereum, Bitcoin. And that's my account, nearly all cash. In the Telegram, there's 175 of you online. Yes, last night there was 700 of you online. Binance looking like a bull flag. He's looking at Ethereum. Bullish pennant. Nice. On the 4-hourly. Yep, bullish pennant. But I've got my trade a little bit more down. Tesla pumping. We caught the exact bottom and up over 139%, which is amazing. Tesla went up 2% yesterday. Someone bought a lot of World. Pumped it all the way to $2.30 on just the buys. So you can see, where would Bitcoin land in case something goes wrong? 70, 80K. No, 80K. Oh, I wanted the 80K. Where I've got my trades, I've got 84 and 80K. Most of you saying 80K, 84. Some of you saying 70 to 80K. Interesting. And you can see people discussing. This guy made 217% shorting Bitcoin from 93K. Very nice trade, A6. Good job. President-elect replaced Gary Gensler, lawyer Teresa Goody. And you can just see everyone discussing. You can join them in the conversation. The link to the Telegram is down below. I'm going to leave it at that. Let's see. And you can follow me on X. My urgent warning. This was when I was telling everyone, buy Bitcoin and altcoins today will be life-changing. That was the 2nd February 2023 when the Bitcoin indicator got fired and Bitcoin was at 20K. Tesla pumping, we caught the exact bottom, up over 139%. Bitcoin and crypto fake out. This is the Bitcoin chart and crypto chart. They pumped out of these rising wedges and then, so a little bit something is weird there. But there is a lot of volume. Congratulations on winning the $500. I gave it away yesterday. That's my updates in the market, everyone. I'll keep it at that. All the links are down below in the description. So if you go down under the description, down below, where is it? Under the description. Here. You can see the link to Bybit. You get a 60k bonus. It's my favorite exchange for trading. If you've been losing money on exchanges or have high fees, Bybit is the best. CoinW International Exchange and Weex International Exchange for USA, UK, Australia. They have great deals now. And jamescryptoguru.com for the courses and the Telegram. Love you all, everyone. Have an amazing day. That's my updates in the market. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.